Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. In today's tutorial, I discuss about the text function len, left, right and mid. Whether you are organizing your data, analyzing text or just improving your Excel skill, this function are incredibly useful for you. Okay, let's go start. First of all, we start len function. Actually, the first of is the len function. Len stand for length. Okay, len stand for length, and it counts the number of character in a text starting. Include space. Okay, you can use the len to ensure data enter meet certain length requirement or to count character in any text base cell. Okay, so actually in a word the len means length. Here you write len. Okay, len bracket and select text bracket, enter. You see that here is count number 7. This count number 7 means here is 7 alphabet or 7 character of this text. Okay, and if you measure how many alphabet or text in this line, you can measure by len. Okay, let's drop down this here. Okay, you see that in this line 7 and here is 14 and here is 10 and 7 and also 14. Okay, and 10. Okay, this measure length of character or length of alphabet. Next, left. The left function is handy for extracting prefix from codes, names or any text. Here you can need the initial portion. Okay, left, and you see that the left equal left, and here you see that text, which text from or which text are wanted to measure. Okay, are wanted to come from the left side. Left side text are come from where you can select. Okay, here text. Okay, and how many texts you wants to bring here? Okay, how many texts? Suppose I write here 3 number. Okay, and close bracket, enter. You see that here bring 3 character from left side, CLU. Okay, you see that CLU. Okay, and you can cover or drop down this. You see that here is 3 character are bring. Okay, and here. Okay, and you can analyze your text by left. Okay, now we see that the right, and the right function it works similarly to left but extract character from the end of a text starting. Right is great for filling out suffix or the final segment of a text, such as file extension or trailing identifiers. Okay, here you see that equal and right. Okay, and here you see the text. Text means which are select for right. Okay, here you see that select and number of character. how many number of character are wanted to bring. Okay, and press here 3 and bracket close, enter. You see that 3 characters are come from right side. Okay, and you drop down this, you see that 3 characters are bring from right side of this text. Okay, meet. Okay, finally the meet function. Meet extract character from the middle of text starting based on a starting position and the number of character you specify. Okay, meet is especially useful for extracting a specific segment from longer text starting, like part of an ID or code. Let's see. Here you text meet and you see that. Okay, meet, the text means which are wanted to bring, and start number, here is the start, here is the number are start in this text. Okay, and I enter here 2. Okay, and you see that number of character, that means how many alphabet are available in this text. Here is 7 alphabet in this text. Okay, and we press 7 and bracket close, enter. You see that the text character are start from number 2. Okay, such as Luster without C, because of we mentioned here 2, that's why the texts are starting from 2, and we mentioned here 3, the texts are starting from 3, and here we mention 4, the texts are starting from 4. Okay, and here we start 3 and we cover the drop down, and here you see that every text are start from 3. Okay, that's all about the text function, which are very important for Excel data analysis. Okay, hope that you understand well, and please subscribe my channel, and hope that you are doing very well for your Excel journey.